Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's gonna be drinking. Look, it's gonna be smoking. Look, there's gonna be swearing. Oh man, if your eardrums aren't destroyed by now, bang! Ha ha! Look, is there coming? 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Black, whites, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew, all ya, dogs and cats. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. My name is Shomari Clarke, and I will be your host for the remainder of this daggone evening. Look! Daggone, Shomari, you're pretty hyped there. Brothers, we don't even need to read the first two stories. I'm going to just tell you what the last story is going to be right now. Fidelity. Bang! I told you, fuck sticks. What did I teach to you? What have I been teaching? All right. Hold on. Let's do this in an orderly manner. Yes, let's do this in a gentlemanly fashion. All right. Let's go normally. I'm so excited, fuck sticks. Look! All right, so story number 1. So this is what I told you about. These guys are trying to get on our list of champion nations. Paraguay, planning crypto legislation. Boom, we're going to talk about Paraguay coming on to crypto land. Yes. Look, coming on to the champion nation list. And then Novogratz. You know, that's our favorite CEO. He's actually a CEO. He's not a hoe. He's a good guy. He's launching 2 Bitcoin funds. And that story ties into, this story right here. So I've been waiting for. Fidelity. Bye! Fidelity is granted NYDFS. Our friends at the good old NYDFS, that's the New York Department of Financial Services, grants Fidelity a custody license. Bye! You know what Fidelity is going to do now. Oh, I told you. And we're going to do the story probably. I've already been drinking. We're probably going to do the story, the Fidelity story. Look. So let's begin how we begin. Bye. Yes, brothers. Let's begin how we begin. You're going to get all manner yap tonight, brothers. Bye. Let's do a refresh. Oh, and it's even behaving tonight because it knows tonight's not the night. Tonight's not the night to misbehave. Look. Bitcoin, $8,107. Great. And when I left you last night, it was $8,154. So we are down, what was that, $47? All right. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Look. Usual suspects, brothers. Oh, yeah. Fidelity. What'd I tell you? What the fuck have I been telling you? You know what's going to happen. You who've been here know. No, you know. You fucking well know. All right, we'll get there when we get there. Look, brothers. Oh, my gosh, I'm so happy. I love doing... When I say... All right, let's just go. Let's just do this in an orderly manner. I can barely contain myself. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects. Fuck sticks. Look. And I say that with love. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar still holding on to 10. Look. Market moves today, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, yes. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, these neighbors. Oh, man. They're going to hear it tonight, aren't they? Single digits up, single digits down. I think when old people go to sleep, though, they can't really hear shit, can they? Right? I haven't had any complaints yet. We've had some wild nights here, haven't we? Oh, not as wild as we're about to have, though. Look! Now I'm just pushing the envelope to see. Hold on. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up. 2. Single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything here you like? Go get it because it's on sale. Look. Bye. Top 10 loser of the day. Oh, finally V-Chain. Good for you. Get down there. Look. Top 10 loser of the day, brothers. Aurora, V-Chain, Maker, Swipe, Komodo, Lisk, CryptoCoin.com, CryptoCom.coin, whatever, man. DX Chain Token, ABBC Coin, and Educare. Let's see who made money. Bang. Top 10 winners of the day. Crypterium, Synthetics Network, Seal, Bitcoin, Augur, OX, Engine Coin, Bottom, Theta, and Nano. Let's look at total market volume of the day, brothers. We got 222.8. And sorry, not market volume. Sorry, total market cap. 222.8. Oh, that's pathetic. Because yesterday we were at 222.7. So we've gone up a whole tenth of $1 billion. All right. And total market volume. Whoops. Sorry. 24-hour volume is at 72.3. And 24-hour volume. It's way down. So, 72.3. So we were at 76.1 yesterday. So let's just call that about 3.8 billion down. So you can see we hardly went down in market cap, but we went, down a little bit in volume. So all that tells me is just people didn't come to play. That's it. Look, that goes. Sometimes you don't want to play. Oh, yeah. But look. Oh, brothers. Oh, man. All right, let's just do this in an orderly manner. Paraguay. Planning a major cryptocurrency legislation overhaul. So, yeah. Apparently, these guys hired some company that helps countries do crypto stuff. Let's check it out. Man, I probably shouldn't even be sipping. I'm nice. Oh, yeah, I'm nice. Look. Let's check it out, brothers. Well, look, one of the world's top crypto law firms, Gresham International, announced this week that it submitted a proposal to begin working with the government of Paraguay on a raft of cryptocurrency new cryptocurrencies. A raft. Hell yeah. They're not fucking playing around with 1-2 little piece of little legislation. They're coming up with a raft of cryptocurrency legislation. Look. An exclusive provided to Crypto Slate, Gresham International Manager, Associate Cal Evans, said the proposal was made after the government had requested detailed information around the deployment of both cryptocurrency and blockchain opportunities. Look, the focus is on laws that the government could implement rapidly. Oh, yeah. Paraguay wants to implement this rapidly for both long and short-term maximum impact. Oh, yeah, Paraguay. That's how we like it. Yes. So, look, the proposal would see Gresham International working with the domestic government to assist them to create laws that would meet the needs of both the country and the cryptocurrency community. Yeah, it's a nice symbiotic relationship. Something they've done before in other jurisdictions. So this company has done this before. Something they've done before in other jurisdictions, such as Labuan, with the creation of new security token laws. I've never heard of Labuan. Evans further elaborated, the government is very serious about introducing new cryptocurrency legislation which will make them a regional leader. Oh, yeah. During Evans' top-level discussion with the government, it was understood that the country is now looking at cryptocurrency as a long-term opportunity for both their citizens and foreign companies doing business in the country. Although it is made clear that the country has no plans to develop its own domestic digital currency at this time. That's right. No need for all that. Addressing crypto mining. One of the economic problems currently faced by Paraguay is nationals from other countries establishing mining operations within the country. These operations exploit the relatively cheap and stable electricity availability, a situation that mirrored in every South American country. Well, I guess energy is cheap down there. So after successfully mining, these foreign nationals then remove their cryptocurrency without paying any domestic tax. Oh, sons of bitches. Oh, you want to get all the benefits of the country, but you want to put in. Sounds like a libertarian to me. This removal without tax is due to the current tax laws that covering cryptocurrency mining. Oh, not covering cryptocurrency mining, my bad. These mining operations place a strain on the power. Hold on. What the fuck are we reading here? This is getting crazy. Anyways, man, that's bad. Let's move on. All right. So, the crypto mining. It is understood that during discussions, this was one of many issues addressed by the government that the new laws would look to solve. The government and regulators are keen to strike a balance between protection and attraction for those working in the cryptocurrency market. In doing so, Paraguay wants to stand as a leader in the region, one which will attract investments, activity, and business. Yes, business. All of which, that's what we about around these parts, we about straight business, homie. All of which would have a positive impact on revenue and the citizens of the Latin American country. Yes, all right. Of course it will. So, holy, this is long. Oh, and I told you guys I was going to read that one story yesterday. Yeah, man, I know, but I'm going to read that to you on Saturday. That shit's too long. I got to read that to you on Saturday when I know you're at home. I can see where you watch my videos, and most of you are watching these on your cell phones. That tells me you're probably at work or on the bus or something. Or, driving in your car with the thing in your ear. On the weekends is when you have I can see that you guys are on your laptops. And so we'll do it on Saturday. All right. So, because it's a long one. I'm serious. I told you to get the popcorn and stuff tonight. Save that for Saturday, man. That's too long. Promoted to the government, the proposal was also the possible positive impact of cryptocurrency exchange and more favorable trading laws for companies looking to do business in the country, all of which are being taken into consideration by the national legislation while they decide what laws to implement in the immediate session. Bang! Oh! Did you hear that? What the laws they plan to implement when? Hold on. In the what? The immediate session. Bang! The immediate session of their Congress. Nice. So they're looking to get, they set it up here, right? It said it, right? They're trying to implement rapidly, right? And now they're trying to implement what? A raft of legislation rapidly. And now we see how rapidly. Where was this? Where was this juiciness? Holy. Where was that? They said in the next session. Oh, in the immediate session. Right? The session of Congress that is on, right? Bang! Now. So look. Paraguay is also acutely aware that its biggest trading partner, China, is heavily involved in cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. They believe that by deploying some of the same technologies, it could show them as being, in an ideology sense, technologically equal to their Asian trading partner. All right. Especially with the rollout of blockchain technology in areas such as transport. So much of the new laws are expected to come into effect in 2020, providing that they are passed by the government. Meaning the question is not if, but when these new laws will come to fruition. So bang. So it's not a matter of if, but when. Yes, Paraguay is battling. They're fighting, And they're trying to get on the buying championship list, cryptocurrency blockchain news championship list of nations. All right, Paraguay, the struggle is real. Fight on. Yes, we'll see you soon. Look, hope to see you soon. Hope to give you the coveted prize. Yes. Hope to give you the coveted cryptocurrency blockchain news nation of champions. Bang! Seal of approval. All right, Paraguay. Bang! All right, let's go here. Novogratz launches 2 new Bitcoin funds targeting wealth of America. Now, this is pretty smart. I mean, it's Novogratz. He is a smarty pants. You know what I mean? That's why we talk about this CEO. Most CEOs I don't listen to because, oh, well, yeah, they're CEOs. They know how to sell cars or whatever. It doesn't mean they're market guys. Novogratz was a market guy. You know what I mean? That's why I listen to this guy. Wow. Not listen, but, you know, I pay attention to what he says. I mean, I have my own opinions, but his and mine tend to line up quite nicely. Look, Novogratz launches 2 new Bitcoin funds targeting wealth of America. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. And this, all right, watch this. So watch this. Mike Novogratz is, all right, because we're about to get into some yap and some banging in a second. Mike Novogratz's crypto merchant bank, Galaxy Digital, is launching 2 Bitcoin funds targeting people between the ages of 50 and 80. Yeah. Well, they're the fucksticks with the money, aren't they? Right. And targeting some 20-year-old kid. He's got debt and no money. Still, right? He's bumming $5 off his buddy for a beer at the bar. So the new funds aim to bring the wealth of America, or people who may have largely remained out of crypto investing, to cryptocurrency markets, Novogratz told Bloomberg on November 19th. According to Bloomberg, the funds will offer third-party custody, and this is what we're about to talk about. Third-party custody from what? Major crypto consortium backed. It's not a consortium, it's a company. And Fidelity Digital Assets. And what I tell you what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about Fidelity's custody coming. Bye. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I know what you just saw. All right, you saw that NYDFS. Oh, yeah. Look, brothers. Hold on, let's take another peek. Bang! License from where? Bang! All right, we'll be there in a minute. I know, brothers, we'll be there in a minute. Oh, fuck, we're going to be there in a minute. I love you guys. I love all of you. And like I told you, don't fuck around with that portfolio. Stop with the love. Stop with the love and the mind games and the sunshine up the ass. Okay? Make sure your cryptocurrency warehouse is filled with revenue-generating products. Stuff that is generating revenue. Now. One of you guys showed me some coin today. Actually, I'll look at it right now. I'll show you, brothers. This brother right here. Rob Ert. Showing me about what? Kin? What's it called? Kin? Shomari, thoughts on Kin? It's at 0.0000004. My thoughts on Kin are simple. Brother, is it generating revenue? Well then, if not, wait, we're going all over the place. My bad. Hold on. Hold on. My thoughts are very simple. Is it generating revenue? Wow. If not, it ain't worth investing in. Look. So according to Bloomberg, oh, right. We already went through this. Okay. Holy shit. Wait and watch what I'm going to show you in a second. Bye. Watch what I'm going to show you in a second. Holy man. I watched what I'm going to show you. Fuck this. Galaxy Bitcoin Fund and Galaxy Institutional Bitcoin. All right. But we have to be serious, though. So I'm going to show you the 2 funds. So Galaxy is coming out with 2 new Bitcoin funds. Now remember, and I know, right? Everything's Bitcoin. I know. So this is another Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoin funds. So we're going to watch Bitcoin funds. But every investment vehicle counts. Everyone counts. They all count. They all count. All right. So, the 2 new Bitcoin funds, Galaxy Bitcoin Fund and Galaxy Institutional Bitcoin Fund, have reportedly been established with Galaxy's own money and some participation from existing investors, according to the report. The Galaxy Bitcoin Fund will require a $25,000 minimum investment, and that's supposed to be their, like the retail one, $25,000 minimal. And investors will be able to withdraw their funds on a quarterly basis. Meanwhile, Galaxy Institutional Bitcoin Fund has weekly liquidity and a higher initial threshold, the report notes. Yes. I notice they're not telling us what that threshold is. Look. That's all right. That's all right. Institutions can handle it. Novogratz knows how much they can handle. Both funds will reportedly charge lower fees than major Bitcoin funds, such as the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Oh my gosh. Boomer's wealth is okay. Novogratz plans will ostensibly bring a significant amount of investment from older demographics, as Bitcoin investment is specifically led by tech-savvy younger generations in the 18 to 34-year-old age range. Meanwhile, the share of American Bitcoin investors over 50 years old reportedly accounts for only 3% of the market. According to a recent study from wealth management firm United Income, American under 50 only holds 16% of all investable assets. That's all the assets in all of America, compared with 31% in 1989. So it looks like they're getting out of markets. This leaves a massive amount. This leaves a massive amount of untapped wealth among older investors that, according to United Income, will comprise $36 trillion in inheritances in the next 30 years. As the baby boomers and their parents begin to pass away, that's a lot of money left. Look, so Novogratz is ever the bull, as we know. Novogratz, a 54-year-old billionaire and known Bitcoin bull and known market killer. As a market killer, I'm telling you, he's a market killer. There are probably 20 billionaires he could name that made their money outside of crypto and are in crypto now. He added that the new Bitcoin funds could attract investors. Hold on. Hold on. Where are we here? Crypto now. He added that the Bitcoin could attract investors who are now buying gold. Holy, I couldn't find the place where I left off. Additionally, Novogratz said he expects that traditional financial services companies will let users invest in Bitcoin in the next 12 months. You daggone right. Remember those words. Traditional financial services companies. Traditional financial services companies. What am I about to read you? Buy Fidelity. Why is it? Just let me bang it. Buy. I'm about to read you about a fucking traditional investment company right here, motherfuckers. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been telling you about it the whole time. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. All right, let's finish with the other one. I'm so happy. I just want to stay on it. Let's just finish this shit here. Look, so Novogratz said he expects that traditional financial services companies, we're about to talk about one right now. If you're new here, oh yeah, you might even hear a little bit of no one tonight. Oh, you might hear some good shit tonight. We're going to yap. Look, traditional financial services companies will let users invest in Bitcoin in the next 12 months. 12 months? 12 months? Nah, dog. Shit's getting real right now. Shit's getting real right now, brothers. Look. Bye. All right, let's just finish it. I can't stand this. In the next 12 months, earlier today, major Bitcoin fund Grayscale Bitcoin Trust filed from Form 10 with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to become the first crypto fund to report to the regulator. If the filing is approved, all right, Grayscale could see its investors base widen as more institutional investors will be able to dabble in Bitcoin. Oh, yeah, they're going to dabble, all right. They're going to dabble real hard. So, all right. So let me calm down. Because I'm about to, I don't know what it's going to be like when we get to the next story. So let me just, let me make sure I teach you the right stuff for this story. So this story is good in two ways. It's good in that we're seeing Novogratz, and he's being innovative about it. He's targeting the 50 to 80-year-olds, right? Yeah, well, the people with, the people with money in our society, right? Like, you know what I mean? Look, we like little millennials, but they ain't got no cash. They ain't got no loot. They're not doing fuck all. You know what I mean? Still pulling their peckers, and just fucking around, just trying to get jobs, right? The 50, 80-year-olds, yeah, that's all the money. So that's good that story is good in that way, in that, oh, you're smarty pants. You're tapping into where the money's at. Of course, that's where the money's at, right? You usually become a millionaire around 50, right? 50 is where you should make your first million, around there, right? And then everyone says, your first million is the hardest. And then after your first million, you just keep making money after that. That's how the system is built. But so the story is good in that, well, if you're going to tap the people with the money, well, obviously that's going to bring money to the market. And then secondly, and here it is. Where is he going to custody? He's going to custody his shit from backed by, what do we talk about with backed custody? New York Stock Exchange, boys. And who else, though? Who else? Bang! Fidelity Digital Assets. Fidelity. He's going to custody with Fidelity. Oh, yeah. And you know what Fidelity's about. You don't know? Oh, you're new here? Well, let me teach you a little something. Bang! Fidelity wins a Bitcoin trading custody license in New York. Oh, yeah, brothers. You who've been here, you know. Oh, fuck. You understand. You understand. Yeah, you understand the sense of urgency now. You better build that cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! You better build that cryptocurrency warehouse fat. Bang! You better build that cryptocurrency warehouse with working product. You saw that arc that DP showed us the other day? That's what your shit should be looking like. Something similar. Doesn't have to be the same architecture. But daggone, it better be big and good like that. Because here comes Fidelity. Now, they keep changing the numbers on me on these websites. So now today I heard that Fidelity has $2.5 trillion under management. So we're going to go by that number today. That's what it is, brothers. Look, if you're new here, Fidelity is an asset manager. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. $2.5 trillion under management. Yes, with the T. Yes, with a T. Trillion. And what have I been telling you? I told you they'd come. And look, you know what's going to happen when they get here. I told you. They're going to have an army. Fidelity, $2.5 trillion under management. Fidelity's going to have an army. They're an asset management company. So you've seen the commercials. If you're here in America, I know you've seen the Fidelity commercials. If you're not here from America, look. They got commercials all over the place. Every football game I watch, every basketball game I watch, I see a Fidelity commercial. Look, let me tell you something. Fidelity is the name soccer mom and dad believe in. Yes. Oh, yes. And Fidelity is going to offer those pensions. Bang. IRAs. Bang. 401ks. Bang. And soccer mom and dad aren't going to be afraid. Hell no. They have IRAs with them already. Yeah, soccer mom and dad probably have an IRA already with them. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how it goes. Fidelity's huge. They have armies. Fidelity Investments has over 400,000 analysts. Do you know that? Yeah, that's more than the American Army has men as soldiers. Yes. Oh my gosh, brothers. Do you understand? That's the level. And when Fidelity unleashes on America, you will be rich. Make no mistake about it. I'm going to tell you right now. Oh yeah, all across America. Every city, every town, there's going to be a Fidelity office. There already are Fidelity offices. I mean, they're already here. But they'll probably make some more. Oh yeah. You know what's going to happen. Soccer mom and dad are going to come into the Fidelity office. Oh yeah. All right, we're going to do this one. And look. There's going to be a dude there. Looking all nice and fresh. Crisp suit. Tight. Good tight Windsor knot. You know what I mean? A good Windsor. A good strong Windsor knot. Yes. You know what I mean, brothers? His hair coiffed. Oh yeah. Tight. Looking good. Smelling good. When soccer mom and dad come in with little Jenny, little Susie, look. Oh yeah, Johnny's gonna show up and say, look, hi, Johnson family. My name's Johnny. Why don't you head on over in here? We at Fidelity, we believe we have a unique investment opportunity for you that would do real good. Oh yeah, soccer mom and dad are curious. Really? What do you have? Right this way. Oh, shit. That's it. And he leads them right into the office. Yeah. You know what that office is called? It's called the kill zone. Oh, he leads them right into the kill zone. That's what Fidelity's going to do. Lead them right into the kill zone. Why is it a kill zone, Shomari? Why? Why is it a kill zone? Well, I'm going to show you right here. Because he's going to sit them down, just like I'm sitting at this desk. He's going to sit them down right there. Mr. Johnson, have a seat. Oh, hi, little Susie. No, he's a swag. He knows the ways to be. He's going to dig into his thing, get some candy for little Susie. Here, little Susie, here's some candy. Oh, yeah. And you know what else? Right over here. Right up here. He's got his university degree. Oh, yeah. So soccer mom and dad are going to see that. Oh, so this guy's a smarty pants. And then right over here. And this is the real killer. Look. Oh, guys, I love you all so much. This is the real killer right here. What's over there, Shomari? A picture of him with his wife and child. Oh, fuck. Soccer mom can't get enough of that. Right? Beaming family. Oh, she's sold. But you know what else he has? He has a picture. All right. When he went out fishing. All right? Or when he shot a big old moose. right? Something like that, right? He's got a big old fish, right? And his hunting buddies with him. Yeah. Right? And he's holding it. Yeah. Right? And the mountains are in the back. Right? The river, the stream, you can see it. Right? And him and his buddies are all thumbs up. And he's just holding this big old fish, big old trout, salmon, catfish, whatever. Oh, fuck. You know Soccer Dad's hooked on that. And then you know what they have. Between the degree and the pictures, there's a big old sign. Fidelity. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, just a big old sign right there. You know what happens. You know what happens then. Soccer mom and dad are in the kill zone. You want to see how the kill zone works? Let me break it down for you. The kill zone is very easy. The kill zone, you bring soccer mom and dad, you sit them down. All right, and then what does the Fidelity guy do? He says, hold on 1 minute. Let me just close out this account. And he starts tapping on his computer. He ain't doing anything on that computer. He's letting soccer mom and dad absorb the kill zone. The degree, smarty pants, and the pictures. Good family man and a good hunt man, right? And then he turns around and says, look, we believe we have a great investment opportunity for you. Buy! And he pulls out the big old shiny glossy piece of paper. You know how it is with the banking people. They got the big glossy shinies. Look, we have a great investment opportunity for you. And what did I tell you yesterday? Was it yesterday? Or was it Saturday? When was I preaching? Hold on. Let me look. How about the 401ks? All right. That was probably Saturday. All right? We've got a great investment opportunity for you. We've got this IRA for you right here. It's crypto. Yes. And then he starts showing the numbers. Bitcoin is up 200% this year. Blah, blah, blah. Litecoin, blah, blah, blah. It's going to be a slaughter. It's going to be slaughter. America's about to get slaughtered. That's your mass adoption. Buying coffee with crypto? Ain't going to happen. But here we go. Here we fucking go. 401ks, retirement funds, kids in college funds. Here it is. These are the killers. Fidelity is going to murder them. It's going to be a wholesale slaughter. And that same setup that I just showed you, the kill zone, right? The guy with the suit, degree, and pictures, and the Fidelity name. That's it. Fidelity is going to unleash that kill zone all across America. Oh, man, all across America. All across America. Probably your country, too. Probably your country, too, motherfuckers. So be aware. Yes. That's how it's going to go down, brothers. All right. I got to yapping there. Told you I would. So I don't feel bad about it. Look. All right. Let's get on to some news, though. Fidelity wins Bitcoin trading and custody license in New York. Oh, that's true, right? They're going to do that trading thing, too. Holy. It's too much. Fidelity. Hold on. All right, it's huge. It's huge. All across America, brothers, sisters, dogs and cats. That's how it's going to be. Fidelity's been granted a trust license to offer trading and custody by a Bitcoin by the New York State Department of Financial Services, our good friends at the NYDFS, as the asset management group continues to woo cautious institutional investors into the Wild West of digital assets. It was a daggone Wild West, all right. Look. The move allows Fidelity's new digital assets subsidiary to launch a digital currency custody and execution platform on which institutional investors and individuals can securely store, purchase, sell, and transfer Bitcoin to New York residents, the DFS said. Boston-based Fidelity, which has over $2.8 trillion of assets under management, made clear last year it intended to take the plunge to offer digital asset services to Wall Street, where other regulated groups have held back from the nascent marketplace. Now, remember we read, what was it, Q1 this year? Yeah, the Fidelity offices in Houston, Texas, their employees have Bitcoin mining rigs in the office. Yeah, and Fidelity lets them have it. Lets their employees mine Bitcoin in the office. Yeah, like the fucking secretary. Yeah, she's got a mining rig under her desk. Literally. We read it here already. Like that. Fidelity, the managers and all the top executives, they are all about Bitcoin, crypto. They're all about crypto. Yeah. And that they're even letting, like I just said, they let their employees even rock. We read this one story and it said, right? It said the Fidelity executives, I don't remember the word they used. They used the word, just they're gung-ho. Like it just said all the top executives gung-ho, but that wasn't the word, but they used a word like that, you know, in other words, what did they say? But they said a word like, right? Like, fuck, I don't remember the word. But anyways, Fidelity, all right? So the custody and trade execution services that we provide are essential building blocks for institutional investors. Exactly. Building blocks. That's what we've been talking about here. That's what this channel is sort of about. I'm showing you it build, right? That's why I tell you, don't worry about the price. I've told you that since last year, if you're new. But all you guys, you old guys, and you new guys, that's what we talk about here. The building blocks. In other words, don't worry about the price. But Shomari, my shit's not moving. It ain't gonna move until the building blocks, the investment vehicles, are here for these guys to come and get your stuff. All right? All right. So here it goes, right? Here's the CEO guy telling you about it, or the chief operating officer here. So the custody will provide essential building blocks for institutional investors. Continued adoption of digital assets. Yeah, without the stuff, they can't get it. Right? So I've been telling you. Michael O'Reilly, chief operating officer, told everybody. All right. So the designation of a New York trust company under the supervision and examination of the DFS builds on the credibility and trust we're establishing over institutions and other market participants, he said, adding that the group wanted to continue to play a leading role in supporting the maturation of the entire ecosystem. Right. The professionalization of this place. The maturation. Yeah, like he said. Right. To make this place mature. I've told you 100 times. This is an immature market. Right. So Fidelity's here to look. Shomari, we know you hate it, but we're going to get this place matured. Thank you, Fidelity. Right. Shomari, man, why don't you trade this stuff? You're a Forex trader. Why aren't you trading it? Because it's not mature. The market doesn't move proper. All these guys trading are just guessing. And these guys are going to bring all this money, all this proper liquidity. So we'll have proper trending markets. And markets are going to actually move and decouple from each other according to their own merit, right? Anyway, that's down the road, but all right, that's what we're waiting for. Like, we're waiting for all this stuff, blah, 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 all this infrastructure I talked to you guys about. But with that, when this infrastructure all comes, we're going to have a maturation of the market. Do you understand? Like, things are going to move properly. Like, It's not going to be just because Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Fuck no. Fuck no. It's going to be because you onboarded someone, you go up. Right? You got 51% attacked, you go down. Do you understand? Just like the regular stock market. Your earnings numbers are good, you go up. Bad, you go down. And that's what I'm talking about. The maturation of the entire ecosystem. I call it maturation of the market. This whole place. That's what I've been preaching to you guys since all last year, right? And that's what we're going to get. I mean, we're going to get that. Don't worry about that. But, yeah. All right. So, look. Last month, Abigail Johnson, the investment group's chief executive, told the Financial Times that what had started as a just for fun experiment had become a serious drive to build up a viable crypto custody business for hedge funds, family offices, and financial advisor clients. They were like, just for fun. And they're like, yo, let's build this. So look, safekeeping of crypto assets has been a concern for institutional investors because exchanges have been plagued by outages and hacks. Yes. And that's what I told you. They're not going to put up with that. So prolific market manipulation and scams in the loosely regulated space have been a deterrent. Like I told you, man, all these institution guys, they're not used to, and I told you, like with the SEC and everything here in America, like we don't, here in our markets, you can lose your money. Fuck yeah, motherfucker. You bring your money here, oh, we'll take it from you. You can lose it, but you won't be cheated. I'm going to take it fairly. Maybe you get me, but probably not. But you know what I mean? Like they, that's what, that's what holds them back, right? They want regulation, right? And they're not going to come for the stuff that's here now. But thanks to Backed, thanks to CME, bang, thanks to Fidelity, at least here in America. I mean, each country is going to have their own ones, right? Like in Switzerland, we keep reading about Switzerland. Yeah, the Swiss stock exchange keeps unleashing stuff, right? And we read about Germany, right? The German Stuttgart. The Stuttgart Börse releases stuff, right? Institutional grade. Institutional grade, boys. All right. Nevertheless, yield-hungry speculators have continued to flock to volatile crypto markets, while some are optimistic that Facebook plans to spearhead the launch of its own digital currency. All right, fuck Libra. We're going to move on from that bullshit. All right. So to date, New York has issued 23 of the highly coveted licenses. They are. If you're approved by the NYDFS, you can do anything anywhere in America. Whatever you want, buddy. Well, for the thing you're approved of by the NYDFS. So if the NYDFS approves you to be a market maker, all right, you can be a market maker anywhere in America, right? If they approve you to be a vanilla exchange, yeah, you can exchange anywhere. Highly coveted licenses to companies involved in virtual currency activities in the state. Earlier this year, the department granted a license to the Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, the world's second largest exchange group by market value, to provide custody of Bitcoin futures via Backed, its digital assets arm. We've read about that. The move signals New York's keenness to promote itself as a hub for crypto activity. Well, you got all that other money stuff in Wall Street. Why not just make yourselves the Wall Street of crypto as well? Makes sense to me. Alongside countries such as Switzerland. Oh, that's what I just said. Switzerland is rocking and rolling. And Malta, they're doing the exchange stuff. This approval is further evidence that the innovation and consumer protection can coexist. All right, hold on. This approval is further evidence that innovation and consumer protection can coexist in New York's evolving and expanding financial services industry. said Linda Lacewell, the DFS's Superintendent of Financial Services. Bang. And so, what is this? Oh, no, that's not anything. There it is. Bang, guys. And there it is. What have I been telling you the whole time? And now, so they've got that license. They've got the license by the NYDFS. And now watch. Watch. The next thing Fidelity is going to do, 401ks, retirement funds, your children's college funds. Oh, yeah. And like I said, they're going to set up kill zones all across America. All across America. Yep. Remember that. All right. Man, I love this. This is too good. You know, it's really fun doing this show now because now we're seeing investment vehicle after investment vehicle, big player after big player coming. No more of these little, just crypto little bullshits like last year's stuff was, oh, so-and-so is listed on blah, blah, blah exchange and so-and-so is blah, blah, blah on blah, blah exchange. Like, it's garbage, right? This year, while I'm upset that the SEC didn't approve anything, I am happy that we're seeing champion nations, even though most of them aren't doing anything, but and investment vehicles, though, being rolled out. And stuff like this, Fidelity, backed ICE, and CME Group, launching investment vehicles, institutional grade investment vehicles. Institutional grade. So that these institutional guys stop thinking of this place as the Wild West, but start thinking of this place as a real place to get your money on, to get your trade on. All right, look. So buy Fidelity. Man, brothers, I'm so happy. I just don't want to yap anymore, so let's go. Buy. All right. Binium. Oh, first, who's this? Brendan C. Spy lady. Ha ha. Brendan C. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Yes. Binium. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What's he talking about? CB Newswire. Hold on a minute. The new Mustang Mach-E electric car is going to build in Mexico and China, the two countries that Trump is against to do business with. Welcome to fake news and goodbye Americana. What? Whatever. I don't even know. What do you mean, Binium? What are you talking about? They're going to build a fucking car in Mexico, so what? Bang, though. I don't know what that means. All right. All right, Binium, he's talking again. Oh, this is what I just told you about Fidelity. All right. Bye. Yes. Americana. You're never going to get rid of Americana, son. You boys better get over that. I noticed that that's a whole thing here in this crypto world. Yeah. Everyone's got this thing of, yeah, they're not going to use the American dollar as the reserve currency. Yeah. What do you mean, you moron? Oh, I'm sorry. You're not a moron, but just reserve currency like what? What do you think is happening? How much? And I hear that. I hear this shit from people. Yeah, Shomari, if China dumps the American dollar, America will crash. China owns less than 5% of America's bonds, you fucking moron. Yeah, do you know who owns America's bonds? We do. 80% of the bonds bought in America are from our central bank buying our bonds. You guys have to understand how the world works. You sound so fucking stupid. All right, not fucking stupid. Let me be nicer about it. But it just shows that you don't know how America works, or how the how the global system works. Right? You're not getting rid of Americana. What is it? What did Biniam say? Americana. What, over a fucking car? Hold on a minute. The new Mustang Mach-E electric car is going to be built in Mexico and China. Yeah. Well, most of our cars are built in Mexico and China. Our corporations went and got cheap labor back in the 80s over there. Yeah, how do you think China got that big? Because our manufacturers are over there manufacturing over there. There's no, someone told me something the other day. They were like, yeah, Shomari. Yeah, well, China now doing this Bitcoin stuff, the crypto stuff, they're leaving America behind. Okay. Maybe they are, I think, moving faster than America. But think about how much faster they're moving than your shithole country, buddy. What do you think this is? Shomari, they've left America behind. Yeah, well, your country's left way behind then, buddy. I don't know, man. You guys are a little weird. Look, but let's get away from that. DP Entertainment, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bitcoin Kong, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Here's what Kong put right here. Oh, yeah, the cream rises to the top. That's how it goes. Cream rises to the top. Yes. To the top, brothers. That's your V-chain. That's your IOTA. Oh, man, I got a story for you fucksticks tomorrow, man. I had so many today. Shit. That's why I had to chill. Just get these ones. All right, let's move on. Stallion. Sweetie. Yes. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Edwin. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Rob. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Yeah. Got you, wrong, guys. Yes, you can't escape. Can't escape the wrath, wrong, Kaz. All right. Silliness. What do we got? Oh, and here he is again. Bang. Yes. He shows up in multiple forms. Wrong, Kaz does. Van Breden. Look. Van Breden. Yes. Bye. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. We can't do Van Breden every day, brothers. We got to bring it out. We got to roll it out only on special times, special occasions. You know what I mean? It's like you bring out the fine china. Only on special occasions. Look, Biniam, what are you talking about? CB News, the race is on. Back to end digital assets will custody. I know. And I'm going to read you that. Wait. Oh, I did read you that. Right. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Back to infinity. Yes. All right. We read it. Yes. I knew I was happy about that one. I didn't. All right. Let's move on. I'm going to read you it. You just did, fuckstick. Look. All right. And one more, Biniam. Holy, Biniam. You're just chit-chatting today. Biniam. CB Newswire. Lambo community. Please read this. Just in. Lamborghini, the manufacturer of the most craved sports car in crypto, is to trial blockchain tech for Salesforce in its supply chain operations. All right. Cool. All right. That's enough. Look. That's enough. Let's get out of here. Look. Bye. All right. Welcome, everybody. Let's get out of here. Look. So, Paraguay. Planning crypto legislation. So, yeah. They said, what did they say? What did they say? They said they want to jump off real soon. Like, they weren't even fucking around. They were like, we want this done quick. Right? Oh, right. Because they were with China and they want to sort of be compatible or something. All right. Forget all that. Yeah. So Paraguay, and they hired that one company that it looks like that's their job. They're a consulting company, and they go around the world showing countries how to crypto up. So bang, Paraguay. Hope to see you soon. Yes. Hope to see you soon, Paraguay, on the coveted, glorious, magnificent list of cryptocurrency blockchain news. Championship nations. Yes, yes. Yes, glorious and coveted. That's how it is. It's glorious and coveted. All right. And then Novogratz launches 2 Bitcoin funds. So he's going to launch the one fund for individual investors, and then he's going to launch the one fund for institutional investors. But what was cool is that where's he custodying? Backed and Fidelity. But that's what I mean. That's what I mean. Backed and Fidelity came out. Yeah, well, now the big boys are starting to custody and do stuff. We'll see, man. I'm excited. We'll see. It's the end of the year. So at the end of the year, you know, things get a little, they wind down. Everyone's worried about the year-end bonuses and all that when it comes to markets. But I'm interested in Q1 next year. You know, it's going to be nice, man. It's going to be a good ramping up. Everybody, now that you've got institutional grade custody, we're going to see who's here to play and who's not, you know. I mean, not just Q1 next year. I mean, could happen sooner, but I'm just saying I think we'll see the real ramp up of just well, I hope so. I was dissed by the SEC before, so I don't want to get too happy, but I hope we see a good ramping up of just vehicle after vehicle after vehicle. Look, and then finally, Fidelity granted an NYDFS custody license. But once you custody an NYDFS in New York, well, you're good to go anywhere in America. So we'll see how that works out. And I'm not really worried about the custody part. Well, all right. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me calm down. Let me say this way. When Fidelity, and I say when, Fidelity comes out with the IRAs, the 401ks, and the college retirement funds and everything for your kids, yeah, they're gonna custody themselves because they have the custody. So that's really where the killer Fidelity. I mean, and then all right, and then also Fidelity got the license to open an exchange. We'll see how that goes, but what I'm concerned with are those funds. We went through this. We've been through the whole blah blah blah. You know, this is where the market is. Blah blah stuff. When Fidelity starts launching those funds, when they have their dude in the nice suit and his fucking college degree, his fucking pictures of the wife and kids in a fishing trip, and the big old Fidelity sign right above his head, that's the kill zone. Fidelity is going to murder this place. Remember I said that? You remember I said that, fucksticks? You remember I said that? You want mass adoption? Well, the beginnings of it just happened right today. It just happened right today. Fidelity Investments is coming. That's your mass adoption. Buying coffee with crypto? But getting in a Fidelity IRA, crypto IRA, oh, you fucking know that's going to happen. A crypto 401k from Fidelity? Of course, fuckstick, that's going to be standard procedure pretty much. It's not even going to be a thing. That's going to be normal, you know? A fucking Fidelity crypto college saving fund? Yeah, of course. Of course. You already have a college savings fund for your kid, like I said, with assets, stocks, that only go up 2 to 5% a year. 9% if it's really a big high flyer. Yeah, of course you're going to get a fucking Fidelity college savings fund for your kid. Look, brothers. Here comes the onslaught. Like I told you yesterday, taking candy from babies, brothers. So look, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You will get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. My name's Shomari Clarke. Love doing the show. Love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me in your home. And look, fuck sticks. You better go get that crypto. You better go get that. Because Fidelity, shit's getting real now. Oh, it is real now. All right? Shit's real now. If you had any doubt, even if maybe you're a person even watching this, I don't know why you would be. Maybe you just don't, you have just a couple cryptos. And you're like, well, I don't want to get too much, but I like watching this guy. Let me tell you something. Go get yourself some crypto and build a big old warehouse. You build it big and fat, and you fill it with revenue-generating product. Okay? Because you're going to be rich if you do. Once a lifetime chance, folks. This is it. This is it. You're not going to have a chance, regular guy, to sell to the rich man. So look, where are we at? My name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty, and I'll be back tomorrow to tell you more about it. Bye. Love you guys. Oh, fuck Fidelity. Here we come. What'd I tell you? Told you. Over and out.